Hey guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, this is Change Your Look UK, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to make your crochet looks like boss braid, like individual boss braid. Yes guys, I call it my 2023 updated crochet tips, and it's very easy and simple. If this is what you're looking for, please keep watching. So the extension we'll be using today is the Curly Braided Crochet Extension. If you would like to order this extension, you can DM us on our Instagram page. We deliver worldwide. So I said this is an updated crochet tutorial. So the reason why I said that is because of the cornrow you can see right now. The previous one I posted, I did not actually cornrow it this way. So guys, with this cornrow, it makes it very easier for you to do crochet, install crochet, and very fast as well. So what I will always say on my video is wash my hands, watch what I'm doing, listen to what I'm saying, and seriously you would not miss it at all. This came out really nice. You will not notice it was actually a crochet. It looks like a single plait, like a single braid. Yeah, so this is how you achieve it. I'll also be linking the previous crochet that I did. I think a lot of my followers actually love that crochet. They watch it. I got a lot of subscribers from that crochet as well. It was really nice. Some people said it's the best they've ever found on YouTube. So I think you guys are going to like this as well. It's very nice, simple to do. And if you'd like me to make a video on how I cornrow the hair, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to do that. But if you want to check the previous one I've done, I will be linking it on the bio, so you can just click on it and you will see how I made that. It was really easy, simple, easy peasy. Like 30 minutes you're done with your crochet, seriously. So the extension make it a little bit easier because it actually look as if it's a plait from the root, as if it's a single braid from the root. So what you do is put your crochet under the braids, and then under the box braid and then use the crochet pin to hook the crochet at the tip, pull it out, and when you're pulling it out, just be careful and use your hand to support it at the bottom so it can be firm, so it doesn't unravel on its own. So that is how you actually basically make your crochet to make it look like a single plait. And seriously, if you pay attention to what I'm doing, I bet you're going to thank me later. So it's easy peasy. Just pull the pin down, hook the tips of the crochet into the crochet pin, pull it out gently so it doesn't hurt your client, so it's not too tight, but make sure it's tight at the bottom anyway so it doesn't unravel. Just take a look at this crochet. It looks more like a boss braid, like an individual braid, not a crochet, and this is what we're actually looking to achieve. So just like I said previously, when you're making your crochet on this straight weaving, which a lot of people call it cornrow, just pull your pin, just take an inch from the cornrow and then install your crochet in there. Don't put your crochet pin underneath the roots, the scalp of the customer, if you understand what I'm saying, or if you're doing it yourself, don't put this crochet pin over the roots. What you need to do, just watch what I'm going to do next. Take the crochet, put the pin just an inch from the weaving on top, take an inch from that cornrow and then apply your crochet. It's easy peasy. When pulling it out, just be careful, use your hand to support it so it doesn't hurt you or your client if you're making it for a client. I would really advise you pay attention to what I am doing. Wash my fingers, wash the crochet pin, wash what I'm doing, and I bet you're not going to miss it. So the only areas where you are allowed to put your crochet pin underneath the braids is this area that I'm doing right now, the area close to the pattern. Put the crochet pin underneath it and then pull it out and be gentle about it, and because that place is very sensitive so it doesn't hurt you or your client. And this actually gives you that individual braid look. It makes your crochet looks like an individual plait or a boss braid. If you just look carefully to what I'm doing right now, you could see that it's becoming to look like a single plait instead of a crochet. It's looking like a braid, like you're having a boss braid on. Just take a minute and look at that lines. It looks more like an individual braid and not a crochet. This came out really, really beautiful, and this is what you should be looking to achieve. Look at that lines. So when you comes to these areas again, the edges, you also do the same thing. Put your crochet pin underneath that boss, those brush at the front, so it makes it look like, so even if you pack it upwards, it still look like you have a single braid, a single plait on you, not a crochet. So that is the vibe. That's what actually makes it looks more like a single plait and not a crochet you're having on. So you could see when it comes to this area again, I'm not putting the crochet pin underneath the weaving. Right now I'm putting the crochet pin on top of the weaving. Just take a little inch on top and then you install your crochet there. It comes out really, really beautiful. A lot of times I've done crochet for clients that don't like crochet and they end up falling in love with it. So you can actually DIY your crochet. It's easy peasy. You can do it yourself. But if you think you don't have the 30 minutes or 1 hour to invest, you can book a session with us. We take bookings for crochet and braids. To my best knowledge, I think I have never seen a braid that is as neat as mine. So if you're coming to me to braid, you are like meeting one of the best in UK. So if you're based in Manchester, you can book with us, and I'll be leaving my Instagram handle, which you can book an hair session with us if you want to. So my Instagram handle is Change Your Look UK on Instagram. So I'll be leaving the handle in the description section. Don't hesitate to book if you want. And also, if you want this extension, you can also order it. Just DM us on Instagram, Change Your Look UK, and we'll be able to ship to you with deliver worldwide. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me, your body, your mind. Baby, you give me eyes. So just take a look at this crochet. Does it look like a crochet or a single braid? It looks very, very good, guys. So if you want to achieve this, just pay attention to what I am doing, and I bet you yours will not be different from this. Yours might even be better than mine. Yeah, I promise you that. So let me talk a little bit about this back area. If you're making your crochet, you can see where I'm putting my crochet. just try to put it there at the brush at the back of the hair when you actually flip the tip of the cornrow upwards. Just hook it there. Once you do that, what happens is that when you pack the crochet upwards, it looks as if it's actually a single plait from the back, not a crochet anymore. So I'm going to show you that in a minute, but just pay attention to what I am doing, where I'm putting my crochet pin, so you understand what I'm actually talking about. It came out really nice. So you can like pack your crochet upwards like a ponytail, like just pack it as a knot in the middle, and it still looks as if you're having a single plait on. I've noticed that a lot of people who do crochet don't actually pack their crochet upwards because they are not sure of how the back looks or how it's going to appear. So if you do what I am doing right now, seriously, this one is a great tip for you to take home. If you don't take anything, take this part if you love crochet. So just do it like this. The brush and the weaving that flips up, just hook it together with your crochet pin and then install the crochet there. And when you flip it upwards, it will look as if it's a single plait at the back. It will look as if it's a normal boss braid. So you do the same thing on the side as well, just by the ear area, and you could see where I'm actually putting my crochet pin, just by the ear area there, the weaving on that area. So that is what I do, and look at how it comes out. Just look at it. Let me flip it off. Look at it. It looks like you are having a single braid there. Seriously, it came out very nice. And before I forget, please pay attention to the cornrow I made at the back. It's actually 2 lines I made at the back. I don't think I've mentioned how many packs I actually used on this cornrow. So I used 5 packs in total. 2 packs of color 27 and 3 packs of color 30. That makes it 5 packs in total. So when it gets to the middle here, you can actually start putting a lot of space. The line at the back, for it to really look like a braid, like an individual braid, you have to make 2 lines. So I did 2 lines already. If you can see from there, I did 2 lines already on the crochet at the back. And then right now you can give space as much as you can. I can see where I'm putting my crochet pin. Just take note of what I'm doing. Look at my hands. Look at what I am doing. You're going to understand every bit of it. And if you try it for the very first time, yours is going to come out as mine, even if not even beautiful than mine. So at this time, you can actually put space on the crochet so that the crochet is not too full, except you like your hair to be very big, which I think this one is big to an extent. But if you want your hair to be very big, then you can ignore it and put it just the way you're doing it on the side. But I think it will be very big. But when you come to the top, this area that I'm doing right now, you can start reducing your space again so that you can cover the back area that you put a lot of space on. If you understand, I'm not really good at explaining things. That's why I will always say, look at my finger, look at what I am doing, and you're not going to miss any part of it. Please, guys, pardon me. Just look at my fingers and look at what I am doing. Look at the crochet pin that I'm putting. Just look at the way I do it and do it that same way. Seriously, you're going to get the same result. This really came out like it looks as if you're actually making a boss braid, like a single boss braid, no crochet at all. It was really beautiful and she was very happy about it. So just look at the back I was talking about. You can see that you can actually pack it upwards and it looks like a single plait even at the back. That's what we're looking to achieve. So guys, if you think you like this video, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up, and also don't hesitate to drop your comment. I want to read your comment. And also, if you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by hitting on the subscribe button. Press your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.